Python Subprocess.Popen with Shell equals true. Wait till it is completed. Submitting a complex CMD string made of a full file path to an executable. The multiple flags, arguments, parameters, inputs and outputs seems to require me to set shell equals true, otherwise Subprocess.Popen is not able to understand anything more complex than just a simple path to executable, with no spaces in a file path. In my example I have quite a long CMD. Submitting the CMD to Subprocess.Popen results to an error that complains on something about the path and not being able to find it. So instead of using check_call seems working quite well. Interesting, only after shell is set to true. The subprocess.check_call works with a supplied CMD. The side effect is that the rest of the code seems proceeds running without waiting for subprocess.check_call CMD, shell equals true, to finish first. The code is designed the way that the rest of the execution is dependent on a result of subprocess.check_call CMD, shell equals true. I wonder if there is any way to enforce the code execution to wait till subprocess.check_call CMD, shell equals true, is finished. Thanks in advance.
As Etmicast suggests, just use it as a list. Here is a working example. You are calling python.exe pyfile param1 param2. By using communicate you can get the stout and stare as a tuple. You can use Python method split to split your string to a list, for example. Output.
Check call does not wait. You need to do a process.wait and check the return code explicitly to get the functionally you want.
I think the check_call function should wait for the command to finish. See the docs here, this URL.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.